friends, welcome back to my channel. I am here today to plan for another week in my Hobonichi Weeks planner. This week I am using a kit by Lahla called, I think it's called Pink Lemonade, but I'm not 100% sure. I will link that down below once I double check because it does not say on here. Super cute kit. I've been really excited to use this. We are planning for the week of May 11th, which is in fact this current week. In fact, it's Monday night as I'm filming this because the weekend was a little crazy and I think I'll tell you about it while I plan. So the first thing I want to do is get my bottom and top washi down. I'm just trying to figure out which way is the right way. I think it must be this, but which is the top and which is, I guess that's up to me. So the question is, do we want to do lemons on, this is risky business putting this down like this because of the paper. Lemons on the bottom or lemons on the top? I think lemons on the top, which is not at all what I thought I was gonna say. So let's put this one down first. And these aren't going to take up the whole space. Maybe I'll space them a little bit. So this past weekend, so Saturday was the launch of my new budget kits in my store. If you haven't seen those kits yet, I did make a video about them on Saturday. I think it went up late Saturday night. So I had scheduled the launch to be Saturday morning, but I also realized late last week that I had a deadline on Friday night because my magazine issue, which is normally due on all the content is due on the 10th of every month, was actually due on the 8th because the 10th was a Sunday. Did I don't even know if I'm doing this right. I know one of her kits was the first one that I used when I first started planning in my hobo, and I know I put the top and bottom washi down wrong, but I think this is right. Anyway, so I basically, and I procrastinated big time this month. So I basically had to write the entire issue of the magazine on Friday, which is not how I like to do things. I mean, I work well under pressure, but I usually like there to be a little more time than that. So that is what I did all day Friday, and I got done. I submitted or uploaded the last bit of content at 10:30, and the deadline is 11:59. So cut it a little close, but I got it done. I'm just looking to see if I have, I think, yeah, I've got some date dots that are left over from, I think these are from a Planello kit, and I'm just going to use these to to fill in this week's dates because I really like these date dots. I think they're Planello. Yeah, because the only other ones they might be are Planner Pixie Co, and hers are quite a bit bigger than this. So yeah, so finished at 10:30, and then I was exhausted, but I had planned to film my intro video that night. And I had planned to do a front-facing video because I thought that might be nicer to just talk to you guys face to face. But I was exhausted, and my office was a disaster at that point. So I didn't really feel like I was ready to film. So instead I tidied my office and then I basically crashed. And on Saturday during the day, I knocked everything off. I got things ready, but it took me longer than I expected to, and I did take a break, you know, to like see my family. And anyway, all that to say that it was Sunday morning at 1 o'clock, I think, before I got the video uploaded and the listings live. So that wasn't exactly how I intended for that launch to go, but they're up, it's all good, we are happy, and that is all that matters. So I'm just gonna put a few of these full boxes down, and I think I'll just do them maybe here. Is there a weekend banner in this kit? I thought, oh yeah, there is a cute little one here. It's actually a long weekend here. Actually, I kind of wanted to do Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, I think. Let's see if I can get this up. So the kits are launched. I worked so hard last week to get them done. And then with the magazine that I actually, like, I did not have time to film. I think I only put up one video last week other than the sticker video, like the intro video, which is funny because I actually did film my hobo. Like, this was my spread last week, but I didn't, like, I literally didn't have time to edit and upload it. So it's just a crazy week. Hopefully this week will be a little bit better. It actually is kind of a busy week as well, which again is entirely my doing, but it is what it is. All right, so today, what do I want to use here? Today I had some errands to do. I packaged orders, and I'm filming this. So I'm gonna use maybe this. And I think one of these. It's getting like harder and harder. Actually, this might help build this up if I put it here. Okay, so I'm just gonna put shopping day here. I went to the bank, I went to the dollar store, and I went to the post office, but that is okay. So let's put that there. Then for packaged orders, I think, let's use one of these, and then maybe there. And then for filming, there's not a lot of like bullet points and deco in these kits, so I'll just use these boxes here. Why not? So let's do filming, and I'll just write in that I'm filming and editing this and uploading this. Okay, and then I think I'm going to use these to mark which video is going up on a given day. So, sorry, that was my husband, he's gaming. So I'm going to use this, and I will just put these here to mark that there is a video that day, which means there's also one on Wednesday and one on Friday. Okay. Tomorrow, I have to film. I also have to call the bank. So let's use one of these. Maybe I'll put a to-do list on, oops, each day. All right, tomorrow I am going to film my EC, my Erin Condren spread. So let's just put that there for that. I'm also going to edit it because it needs to go up on Wednesday. I'm also going to film my Recollections memory keeping planner, which will go up on Friday. Now Wednesday, oh, nope, let's, okay, we're actually going to film that on Thursday because Wednesday I wanted to mark off all day for designing because Friday is going to be a release day. Designing, so let's put, I'm already running out of boxes here. Okay, I guess we'll use this one for Friday. Okay, so I'm gonna grab one of, I don't even know which one, I guess this one. That is huge. Okay, there is a little E here, so I'm gonna use this and I'm just gonna mark it here because above that I do want to mark that it's a payday for my husband. So we will just put that there. And I think I will use a weekend banner because it's actually a long weekend here for Victoria Day, and I already just ripped the bow off the weekend banner. Oh, this is super delicate. I don't know. Not sure where to put this now. Oh no. Okay, why not like that? Just for something different. I don't really have anything to mark here. Okay, so that's going to be it for the day-to-day plans. If I had a little computer here, I would mark a couple things down on our camera, but I don't think I do. So, over here, I want to mark a couple things. So, one is going to be my husband's work schedule for the week, which I think I will put down here. And I don't think I want to put a box that big on top of it. Obviously something funny happened. Oh, you know what? I have a little, here, let's see if I can make this work. Oh, this looks like it. This cut really, the cut line is obviously, I think the design's changed and the cut line hasn't. I'll show you why in a second. If I can get this up. So if you can see, sorry, see if it'll focus, there we go. So the heart is there, cut out, but the heart is actually there. That's okay, I'm just gonna put this new releases sticker here. Okay. Also, that was my husband yelling a second ago, if you heard that. All right, let me think. What else? I did not leave myself a ton of room here, but that's all right. I do see 2 laundry day stickers, and I actually, right now, I'm doing laundry 2 days a week, so I think I'm just gonna stick these here on Wednesday with my to-do list, and then same thing on Saturday. Put that down just as crooked as it was before. All right, over here, I'm gonna put a couple, I wish I had a few more of these to-do lists here. I don't mind them when they're in a full box, but I want it to be like only 3 because 5 is a lot to fit in here. But I'm going to use this one and this one. I think I'm just gonna stack them like right up. So I want to leave space to mark that it's his work schedule. And then I'm going to put those there for what I need to do for design. Okay, and then we'll leave another space to write that. And I'm gonna do 2 more here for I don't even know what. And I will write above that what I'm going to do there. So then I'm gonna take this habit tracker here and I will put that, sorry, it's my husband. I'm gonna put that there. Okay, and then the last thing that I wanted to mark down is just the days that I'm making dinner this week, so that when I'm looking at my planner in the morning, I know what is coming up. So that is Thursday, Friday, and Saturday for me. So I think I'm going to use one of these, and I'm just going to put it here. Oh, it's the same color. Okay, I think that that's it for stickers. So what I'm going to do is go in with the pen now, and I will be right back to show you the finished product. So there we go, finished spread for May 11th through the 17th in my Hobo Weeks planner. Super cute kit from Lahla Studios will be linked down below. I hope that you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to check me out over on Instagram and Etsy at A Pretty Plantscape. I'll see you all soon. Bye, friends.